Welcome back. About a week ago, OpenAI released what they call tasks, which allow you to automate your work with scheduled tasks. We'll take a look at this new feature because I think it's just simply amazing. Imagine this, you want to have reminders using ChatGPT to say, practice French with you daily or remind you about your mom's birthday. That is pretty awesome. So let's take a look at tasks and how you can set them up using ChatGPT. As you can see here in the main website, talks about scheduled tasks in ChatGPT, automate your work with scheduled tasks. Now this feature is rolling out in beta to users of the Plus, Pro and Team plans. So I do have a Plus plan and I'll show you how that works right now. But in terms of background, let's talk about some of the key features of these tasks in ChatGPT. You can schedule tasks on web, iOS, Android, and macOS. Scheduled tasks on the Windows app will come later in Q1. It talks about scheduling tasks, which gives the GPT the ability to create tasks for itself to run later, which means tasks can be triggered either at specific times, and tasks are executed regardless of whether the user is online or not. And also, users are sent push notifications or emails when the task is complete. So the website goes on to say that in this early beta, you can create scheduled tasks that enable ChatGPT to run automated prompts and proactively reach out to you on a scheduled basis. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to create scheduled tasks for the following. 1. Can you give me a briefing on AI news each afternoon, or remind me about my mom's birthday, right? So let's go ahead and jump into ChatGPT, and this is my account. Now you'll notice a new feature once you click on the drop down on the top left corner. It says GPT-4o with scheduled tasks in beta format. Ask ChatGPT to follow up later. So once you click on this feature, you see that the interface is just the same as the regular interface you have. Now what we're going to do here is say something like, remind me about my dad's birthday on December 10th every year. Send me an email. So once you submit that, ChatGPT goes to work and it says here, Dad's birthday annually on December 10th. Got it. I'll remind you on December 10th every single year. Now, if you click on these 3 ellipses button here, you can also edit this task, and you can see you can provide it with a task name and custom instructions, and then it's going to schedule it annually. On this drop down, you can have daily reminders, weekly, monthly, annually, or custom reminders, and that's pretty much how it works. The other cool feature I want to show you, if you click on your actual account profile on the top right corner, you can see another feature. If you go into settings and notifications, you can see you have it's enabled for tasks, which means it's going to send you push notifications if you have the app on your phone or email. Now, I went ahead and created a simple task which summarizes the daily news, and you can see here it got it and it's going to send me a summary at 11 a.m. every single day. Jumping over to my email, I want to show you all the different tasks I have scheduled since I started playing around with this new feature released by OpenAI. You can see the email you'll get. I have received an email at 11 o'clock this morning. Has a subject task update, breaking news in politics and finance. And this is how the email is going to look when you receive it. It's going to come from no reply at tm.openai.com. So make sure that the email doesn't go to your spam folder, because once you click on this view message, it actually takes you to ChatGPT where you can actually see what reminder was sent to you. One thing I noticed is that when you just say send me a daily news summary of AI news at 10 a.m. Mountain Time, it sort of doesn't do it correctly. So I wonder if it has to do with me saying something like create a task, create a daily task to summarize AI news and email at 10 a.m. Mountain Time. Let's see if this actually works. So that doesn't work. So let's go back to the documentation and see why that is the case. So it looks like you have to provide a very specific prompt in terms of providing a time frame, such as summarize AI news every week. Let's go back and see. Summarize AI news every day at 10 a.m. So it looks like if you actually enable the search, it doesn't work. Let's disable search and use the same prompt. So there we go. I did notice there's a difference. If you click on this search option to search the web, it actually supersedes the actual task and actually searches the web in real time. But if you uncheck that and just say summarize AI news daily at 10 a.m., it's just going to do that. And so make sure that you have notifications enabled, because that's another feature. You can actually allow your browser to provide notifications for you. Says that the tasks are supported on ChatGPT web, iOS, Android, Mac OS. And talks about usage limitations for tasks. So tasks in ChatGPT use GPT-4o. So your ChatGPT plan's usage limits will also apply to tasks. And it says that tasks in GPT are currently in beta, and the following features and tools are not yet supported: voice chats, file uploads, and GPTs. And that's quick look at the new feature by OpenAI, schedule tasks in ChatGPT. Till next time, stay positive. Peace.